Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into some side hustles today. That extra cash flow, everyone's looking for it, right?
Definitely seems to be a hot topic.
It is. And everyone wants to find that perfect side hustle, the one that'll rake in the dough without taking over your life.
Right, the mythical easy money side hustle.
Exactly. So, to get to the bottom of this, we're going to be taking a deep dive today into, well, this list we found
Oh, yeah.
called 10 Side Hustles Anyone Can Do for Money. Catchy, huh?
I've seen those lists floating around.
They're everywhere. But we're going to break it down and see what's really worth your time and energy in 2025.
Sounds good to me.
So right off the bat, this list jumps into the world of AI.
Doesn't surprise me.
Like seriously, AI is everywhere these days. It's like every other article, every podcast, everything.
True, but it's not just hype. AI is fundamentally changing how we work and earn, so it makes sense that it's infiltrating the side hustle landscape too.
Okay, so tell me more about these AI side hustles. What's the list saying?
Well, the first two on the list are AI content creation and faceless YouTube channels. Both pretty popular right now.
Faceless YouTube channels. How does that even work?
Basically, you use AI to create the content, the videos, the voiceovers, maybe even the scripts.
Whoa, hold on. So you're saying I could have a YouTube channel without ever, showing my face?
You got it.
That's wild. Is that even allowed?
Oh, yeah. People are doing it all the time. It's a great way to build an audience without, the pressure of being on camera.
Okay, I'm starting to see the appeal. So how does the AI content creation part work?
Tools like ChatGPT can write articles, blog posts, social media captions, even scripts, and the quality is getting better all the time.
So you're telling me I could use AI to, write my blog post for me? That's tempting.
It is tempting, but remember, AI is a tool. It can help you create content faster and more efficiently, but it's not a magic bullet.
I see what you mean. AI can write a basic blog post, but it can't capture my unique voice or my expertise, right?
Oh, exactly. And you'll need to edit and refine what the AI produces to ensure quality and accuracy. Plus, think about SEO, keywords, making sure your content is engaging.
Makes sense.
And don't forget the competition. Lots of people are jumping on the AI content creation bandwagon. You'll need a solid strategy to stand out.
Okay, so it's not as simple as let the AI do everything.
Not quite, but it's definitely a powerful tool, especially for those who may be intimidated by writing or content creation in general.
Makes you wonder, are we all going to be replaced by robots one day?
Maybe, maybe not. But for now, we can use these tools to our advantage.
Okay, enough about AI for now. Let's move on to something a little more, shall we say, dreamy. This list is full of passive income ideas.
Oh, yeah, everyone's chasing that passive income dream.
I know, right? Who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? But is it really all it's cracked up to be?
It depends.
Okay, so let's break it down. What kind of passive income hustles are we talking about here?
Well, this list mentions digital product sales, print on demand, and renting out your space.
Ooh, renting out your space. Now that sounds interesting. What, like my whole house?
Well, it could be your house, or just a room, or even something unconventional like your driveway or parking space.
Wait, really? You can rent out your driveway?
Sure can, especially in areas with limited parking or big events happening nearby. Think concerts or sporting events?
I never thought of that. But okay, what about these digital products? Sounds a little vague.
Think ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, printable designs, anything you create digitally that can be sold online.
Oh, I get it. Like you create it once and then people can buy it over and over again.
Exactly. That's the beauty of digital products. No inventory to manage, no shipping costs, just pure profit.
Sounds amazing. Okay, now I'm really intrigued. What about print on demand? What's that all about?
It's a similar concept to digital products, but instead of selling the digital file itself, you're selling physical products that are printed on demand when someone orders them.
So, like custom t-shirts with my awesome designs on them.
Exactly. Or mugs, phone cases, tote bags, really any kind of merchandise you can think of.
That's pretty cool, actually. So are these passive income streams really, passive?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. While it's true you can automate a lot of the process, there's still work involved. Even with digital products, you need to create them, market them, provide customer support, and keep them updated. And for print on demand, you still need to design the products, manage your online store, and handle any customer issues that may arise.
So it's not exactly set it and forget it.
Not quite. It's more like set it up, manage it, and watch it grow.
Okay, I see. So it's still work, but maybe work that you enjoy and can do on your own terms.
Exactly. And the potential rewards can be significant.
Gotcha. Okay, let's shift gears a bit. There's a whole section on this list about using your skills and knowledge to make money.
Oh, yeah? Knowledge is power, as they say.
And in this case, power means profit. So what kind of side hustles fall into this category?
Well, the one that jumps out is online course creation.
Right, everyone's an expert on something.
That's the idea. If you have a skill or knowledge you can share, you can create an online course and sell it to others who want to learn.
I love that. Like, what if I'm really good at, I don't know, knitting or something?
You could create a course on knitting for beginners, or advanced knitting techniques, or how to design your own knitting patterns.
That's so cool. Are there, like, platforms where you can sell these courses?
Absolutely. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, they're all designed to host and sell online courses.
I might have to check those out. But okay, let's be real. There are, like, a million online courses out there already. How do you even stand out?
You hit the nail on the head. The online course market is competitive, so quality is key. You need to create a course that provides real value, is well-structured, engaging, and professionally presented.
Got it. So think high-quality videos, clear audio, maybe some downloadable resources, quizzes, all that jazz.
Exactly. And don't forget about marketing. You need to get the word out about your course and attract students.
Right. You could, like, do a whole social media campaign, maybe even partner with some influencers. The possibilities are endless.
See? You're getting it.
Okay, on to the next one. This list gets really techy with these last few hustles. Website flipping, AI chatbot business, and something called TikTok Instagram automation. That sounds pretty futuristic.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay, break it down for me. What is website flipping?
Basically, you buy an existing website, improve it, and then sell it for a profit. Kind of like flipping houses, but in the digital world.
Interesting. So you're like buying low and selling high.
That's the general idea. But of course, it's more complicated than that. You need to know what to look for in a website, how to improve its SEO, design and content, and how to find buyers.
Sounds like there's a learning curve involved.
There definitely is. But there are resources out there to help you learn the ropes. And there are platforms like Flippa where you can buy and sell websites.
Flippa, huh? I'll have to check that out. Okay, what about this AI chatbot business? That sounds intense.
It's a growing market for sure. Businesses are using chatbots for everything, from customer service to lead generation to sales.
I've definitely encountered those chatbots popping up on websites. Sometimes they're helpful, other times not so much.
Right, it depends on how well they're designed and trained.
So how does one get into the chatbot business?
There are platforms that allow you to build chatbots without needing to know how to code. And then you can offer your services to businesses that need help with their chatbot strategy.
Wow, so I could, like, be a chatbot consultant. That's pretty cool.
Exactly. And the demand is only going to increase as AI technology continues to evolve.
Okay, now for this last one. TikTok Instagram automation. What in the world is that all about?
It's using tools and software to automate some of your social media tasks, like scheduling posts, following and unfollowing accounts, even sending direct messages.
Wait, so you're telling me I can automate my social media?
To a certain extent, yes.
That's a game changer. I spend way too much time on social media as it is.
I hear you, but it's important to use these tools wisely. Remember, social media is all about building relationships.
Okay, so I can't just, like, set it and forget it.
Not if you want to build a genuine following and engage with your audience.
Makes sense. You still need that human touch.
Exactly. Automation can free up your time for more strategic tasks, like creating engaging content and interacting with your followers.
Got it. Automation is a tool, not a replacement.
Precisely.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about AI, passive income, using your skills, and even some pretty techie stuff.
It's a lot to take in.
It is so much to think about. But, you know, it's inspiring to see all these different ways people are creating income streams.
It definitely is. The gig economy is evolving, and there are more opportunities than ever before.
Exactly. So, listeners, out of all these side hustles, which one piqued your interest the most?
Yeah, that's the big question. Which one spoke to your skills, your interests, your goals?
What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? What unique value can you offer?
And remember, this is just a starting point. Do your research, explore different options, and find the hustle that's right for you.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Happy hustling.
See you next time.